You're going to love the 2013 Ford Taurus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.